I've been doing this a lot and there is no sound, so whoever packed it, kudos. All right.
We gave 5 brave DIYers a challenge. We'd send them one mystery item plus $50, and they'd have to give that item a stylish new look. We sourced our products from home stores, thrift shops, bargain bins, even the office prop closet. Then we shipped one item to each DIYer to see what genius ideas they came up with.
Hey guys, my name is Wendy. I'm a content creator over at the Wendy home based out of Toronto, Canada. And today I'm opening up a mystery package from Apartment Therapy. All right, first impressions. Lots of paper. Okay, my first thought, it's very blue, like super blue, and a basket. My initial thoughts are spray paint, because this is not in the color scheme, as you can tell. I immediately want to put a plant in it, because anything with a plant in it is a win of a DIY in my books. I'm getting a lot of macrame vibes. I think I want to do something with macrame, maybe tassels, who knows? I'm going to take you guys alongside of me as I brainstorm and DIY into something I can use. Hey guys, I'm back from the hardware store and the dollar store, and I'm gonna rectify this very blue basket with the handy dandy spray paint. I really like the fact that this basket is already very detailed. Now, a good tip is if you don't already like the basket or the vessel that you have, you can actually use things like glue gun, make your own pattern, or even polymer clay, make a cool shape or make like wavy patterns, draw a face on it, then spray paint it, and it'll look like it's part of it. Having said that, at the hardware store, I also picked out some rope. This was over 100 feet, which will give me lots of different options of how to braid or how long I would want the macrame. As an alternative, I went to the dollar store and picked up some jute, because maybe when I spray paint this white, I want a bit of contrast. So I'm introducing some warmth with some jute. Maybe I'll alternate. I'm gonna see how I feel about it. And at the dollar store, I also picked up some wooden beads. I'm gonna pick some out. We'll see what I do with this. Also, I decided to pick out some chains because we're edgy like that. No, we're not. I also saw these really pretty brass gold clasps. And of course, I'm gonna squeeze in some plants. They sold one of these big philodendrons, like maybe the size of 2, for about $9, but these were only $3 each. So for $9, I could get 3, and it's much bigger when I replant it. Look how comfortable they sit in this basket. All right, I'm gonna take you along. Let's go spray paint this. Giving it a good shake, testing the wind. It's not gonna blow in my face. We're good, let's go. All right, I'm gonna stand back. I shouldn't have worn my good jeans, but I live life on the edge. I'm gonna take my nylon rope, cut them into this length, and I'm gonna make lots of them. Why I'm doing this? It's because I wanna take the inside of the material, which is this synthetic material that I'm not planning on using, but instead I'm gonna take this rope and unbraid it with an embroidery needle. It's quite thick. It's just gonna help me to detangle and unbraid this and fray it out so that I'm gonna be left with this pretty fringe. Okay guys, the hair's in a bun. It's nighttime. Let's finish this project. There's 3 coats of spray paint. That took a while to dry. Let me show you the mountain of fringe that I created from the rope. Here comes the jute. I think this is a little too thick, so I'm gonna unbraid it, and what I'm gonna do is actually wrap it around and secure it around my basket, because it's going to act like the belt where I'm going to tie my fringe on. All right, let's get to hair cutting because she's looking super beraggled. I am never allowed to give myself DIY bangs because I cannot cut for the life of me. I know last time I showed you guys these bling-a-ling chains that I wanted to add some shiny things to this DIY. However, didn't really suit the fringe look. I'm going to show you a tip because I was having a hard time stringing my beads even though they were, you know, very wide, but the jute kept coming apart. So what I had done was grab some tape and I taped the end so it gave me something firmer to grip onto, and it slid, like the beads slid in way smoother. Like so. So I'm gonna do that for 4 strands, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna hang it. I've got my 4 strands of beads, like so, and we're gonna attach it to that lobster clasp right here. It's gonna look a little something like this. We're just gonna knot it. Super easy. I feel like this DIY was more time consuming than it was complicated. Let me tie all these and show you the final look. I absolutely love it. Imagine it growing bigger and just trailing down and hanging this. So yeah, there you have it. Now we have a beautiful boho fringy plant hanger. Thanks for watching, guys.